In this video, we'll guide you through the 10 best abs exercises that are perfect for beginners. Ready to get started? Here are the 10 best abs exercises for beginners. Kickstarting our list with exercise 1, plank. A plank is a simple yet powerful exercise that works your entire core. It's quite straightforward. Hold your body in a push-up position, resting your weight on your forearms and toes. The goal is to hold this position for 20 seconds, then rest and repeat. The plank improves core strength by engaging multiple muscles at once. Moving on to exercise 2, the dead bug. This aptly named exercise targets the lower abs. Start by lying on your back with your arms extended towards the ceiling and your legs in a tabletop position. The challenge is to slowly extend one leg and the opposite arm at the same time. Then switch and repeat. Aim for 10 reps on each side. Finally, exercise 3, the Russian twist. This exercise works the obliques or side abs. Sit on the floor, pull your abs to your spine, lean back slightly and twist your torso from side to side. Complete 15 reps for a full set. Moving on to exercise 4, bicycle crunch. This fantastic exercise targets the entire abdominal region. To perform this, lie flat on the floor, place your hands behind your head, bring your knees towards your chest, and lift your shoulder blades off the ground. This mimics the motion of pedaling a bicycle, hence the name. Try to do 15 reps. Next up, exercise 5, mountain climber, a full body workout that really gets the heart pumping. Start in a high plank, bring your right knee under your torso, keeping the toes off the ground. Then switch legs, bringing the left knee forward while moving the right leg back. This exercise is great for building core strength and agility. Aim for 15 reps. Lastly, for this segment, exercise 6, bird dog. This one enhances balance and coordination. Start on all fours, extend your right arm forward and left leg back. Maintain for a few seconds, then switch sides. Aim for 10 reps. We're more than halfway through. Stick with us as we move to the final 4 exercises. Next up, exercise 7, standing bicycle crunch. This dynamo works the obliques. Stand up straight, place your hands behind your head now. Lift your right knee towards your left elbow, then switch to the left knee and right elbow. Aim for 15 reps. Moving on to exercise 8, flutter kicks. This one targets the lower abs. Lie on your back, legs extended fully out with a slight bend in the knees. Lift your heels off the floor and kick your feet up and down swiftly. 20 reps should do the trick. Exercise 9, leg raises, strengthens the lower abs. Lie down, legs straight up towards the ceiling. Keeping your lower back flat, lower your legs without touching the floor, then lift them back up. 10 reps will suffice. Finally, exercise 10, seated knee tucks. This one works the entire abs. Pull your knees towards your chest. Do 15 reps. Congratulations, you've just completed the 10 best abs exercises for beginners. To sum it all up, these 10 abs exercises are your stepping stones to a stronger core. Each exercise, with its unique benefits, targets specific areas of your abs. Consistency and correct form are paramount to maximize the benefits. Incorporate these exercises into your routine and gradually increase your intensity as your strength builds. Remember, a strong core is the foundation of a strong body. So begin your fitness journey with these abs exercises and embrace a healthier, fitter you. Stay tuned for more fitness tips and tricks.